Kristen here from KMGhandmade. I'm here to show you my newest pattern that's releasing on Tuesday, May 20th, called the For the Love of Pockets Bag. We had a lot of fun making this pattern with my test group, so I really hope you enjoy it too. It comes in an original size, but there's also some instruction on how to make it in a bit of a smaller size. So I'm going to show you both here. So this is the original size bag. She's a biggie. She's great for fitting everything that you need. I frequently travel with my iPad, so I know that this actually fits a 11-inch iPad in the front pocket easily, and I still can get all of my other stuff in the back pocket, which is why this one's called the For the Love of Pockets. We've got lots of pockets for you. So you've got two in the front, one in the back. You have two on the sides. You've got two main compartments here, one with a plain side here, and then you have expandable pockets on the front. And you flip it around, you've got expandable pockets on the back as well. And then my signature keyminder zipper pocket overlay here on the inside. So you can fit a lot of stuff in this bag. Just don't overstuff it and put any strain on your hardware. So also have some fun hardware options on this bag too. So you've got a little handle, just more for decorative, but you could use it if you're just, carrying it around. You have your crossbody or shoulder strap. Make this as long as you want to. This one uses zipper ends, but there's also an optional zipper end template piece in the pattern for you if you don't like all of the extra hardware. You can make the regular zipper ends with the fabric, and there is enough space here to tuck those back in to the end if you don't want to see your zipper ends. So that is the original size. And then in the instructional video, we're actually going to make it in the 85% size. So this one's a little bit smaller. The pockets aren't quite as wide on the side because you're making everything about 15% smaller, but it has all of the same features. So in the pattern, there is a recommendation for what to print at 85% when you're printing out your templates to get this size bag. You can use the same seam allowances as you do on the original size bag, and you'll still come out okay. So in the pattern, you are going to see the ends, the end connectors as a template piece, a fabric template piece that goes over the ends. Here you can see it on this 85% one, where it connects over the ends as a decorative piece. But in the video, I'm going to show you also how to do a standard 4x4 connector, and that you're going to tuck inside between your exterior and lining pieces. So lots of fun to unpack. I hope you enjoy this pattern. You can get full access to the tutorial video from inside the pattern, which I'm going to link below here for you. So happy sewing. Thanks for joining me. And I can't wait to see you bags.